Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video on the Get Joy Tips we would like to discuss about how to fix this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled error. Whenever you are trying to use the Adobe, you're getting this error and how you can fix this. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about, just go over here in the search for the control panel, and from here we have to go to the system and security. There is Windows Defender Firewall, select this one. And from here you have to go to the advanced settings, just select this one. And now from here there are two options over here on the left side, and we have some options in the right side as well. So just go to the inbound rules, and now from here you have to scroll down and you have to check whether the Adobe is blocked. So this particular sign represent it is blocked. So right now if you scroll down you can see the Adobe is not blocked. So we need to add the Adobe here like this. So to add it, what we need to do is just click on the new rule, and from here we have to go to the programs. Now from here what we need to do is we need to go to the program and go for next, and from here this program is what it is. Now we need to click on the browse. Now from here go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to program files, and we have to navigate to Adobe. Now from here we have to go to Adobe Premiere Pro or whatever you wanted to block. For example, if you wanted to block the Adobe Photoshop, you have to select this one and go for open. And what we need to do is we just need to select the Photoshop over here and you have to open it. So the Photoshop is added. Now go for the next. And right now you can see we have options like allow the connection if it is secure, and block the connection. Select this one and we need to block the connection. Go for next. And over here you can see domain, private and public. These things are here. So what we need to do is just go over here, and what we need to do is block the connection, and we have to go for next. And right now we need to give a name. So I'm going to give Adobe. This is the name that I'm going to give, and we have to go for finish. Right now if you go to the advanced settings and go to the inbound rules, now from here if you select the inbound rules you can see the Adobe is blocked. You can see this particular mark which is a blocked sign, and the Adobe is blocked. So if you find any, apart from this, if you find any other similar kind of Adobe over here like this, you need to remove all the similar things, and also just do for the outbound rules as well. So select this one on the outbound rules, and you have to go over here in the new rule, and we have to go to the programs, go for next, and we have to go over here and click on the browse. Now go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to the program files and go for the Adobe. Now from here we have to go to Adobe Photoshop. So you have to select this one and we have to open it. Now from here scroll down and select this one and go for open, and what we need to do is just go for the next, and we need to go for the block the connection, and we need to go over here and we have to go for the next. And here also I have to give the name Adobe. So I'll give in this name and go for finish. So if I go over here in the advanced setting, you can see on the both the inbound rules the Adobe is blocked, and even on the Adobe rules the Adobe is blocked. So you can remove it if you wanted, you can delete it down the road, but right now you have to do this. After this is successfully done, what we need to do is just close this, and you have to go back to your Photoshop or Premiere Pro, whatever you're having the error, you can directly just try opening it, and most probably that's gonna fix this issue. I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Bye.